I made it, guys. The Golden Gate Bridge. Same thing, Golden Gate Bridge there. Looks amazing. Oh, let me see what else I can find. Yosemite. That's where we are right now. Yosemite Park. Look at all the trees, man. They're so tall. And there's a wild bird over there. I'm gonna catch it like a Pokemon. And beat the shadow with it. So let's see what else I find. Look at that little waterfall. Look, we made it. Look, wait. Espera! Wait. So many rocks. You see? I'll try to get a better view. I got the better view. Right there. And then we have this huge mountain. And then that one all the way in the back. You see it now? Yeah. And then so many rocks. Let's see what else I can find. I don't think you can see it, but it's a cascade. The water is coming down from it. But at least I can see it. I think I found the mother lode. I'll be right back. Huge rocks in Yosemite. Yosemite Mountain. I don't know what else. Hell yeah, I got it. Finally. I have to go all the way to these freaking rocks. We got it for you guys. And I can see it clearly. Perfect view. You see this? You better be watching this. Let's see what else I can find. It's probably the mother lode. Hermigran giant trees. And the bathroom. A deer.
Colita blanca, tiene la colita blanca.
Oh my god, I'll try to get a closer look. Perfect, right there. You see it? Oh my god. Right there. It only has one horn. Or one, whatever you call it. Oh my god. The video's gonna get 1,000 likes. Nah. I don't know, but it's cool. It's moving. I can't go any closer because there's a fence. And if I do, my parents and my cousins will kill me. Only my cousins and my parents are here, not my brothers. They stayed home. Oh my god. I'll try to get it closer if I can. Perfect waterfall. Perfect waterfall, as I was saying, and I got interrupted by my own phone. It goes down the street. Look, I wish I could touch it, but I can't. But, okay, I think this will be the last part.